right, thank you for joining us for these tutorials on our Polycom systems and our KeyStone voice system. We're glad to have you here. A couple quick things I want to cover is just some of the different phones we support. This is a Polycom VVX400. This is a Polycom VVX500. And this is a Polycom VVX600. The only thing you really need to know about these phones is this is a full non-touch phone with all full featured. It does not have Bluetooth, but it can accept certain headsets. This is a fully touchscreen version. It does not accept Bluetooth headsets, but can accept many headsets that actually interface in the back. This is the Cadillac that has Bluetooth, can accept nearly every headset, and has a larger touchscreen enabled user interface. But these phones can all do the same things. There are very few limitations on what they can't do between each other. The Bluetooth is a major differentiator of the 600 series. So that's basically the phones that we service and support. We typically put the 400s in most client offices and find them to be very useful and very user-friendly. But that's basically the phones and a kind of an introduction to some of the systems and equipment we're going to be showing you today.